बिफोर आई रिमूव द कवर्स मैं दो सवाल पूछता हूँ. अभी तक किसी के पास आरसी है? कोई इधर आरसी का ओनर है? किसी ने आरसी चलाई है? किसी को अनकंफर्टेबल लगी है? अभी है नहीं. ये एड्रेस है. एंड गाड़ी में पहले जैसा हीट भी नहीं है. द एरोडायनेमिक्स आर न्यू एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर अ टन ऑफ न्यू चेंजेस जो अभी कवर्स निकालेंगे वी विल गेट टू सी. बट we have all waited for so long, so we will do it right away. So these all are we cover एक साथ बनानी है.
आओ ना आप लोग अपडेट करो ना मैडम.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me. It's about me. Keep my head down.
So these are the two new RC200s that we have just launched from the table of KTM. So Gen 2, please say. Yeah, it's a Generation 2. So if you actually see very starking good features that we have introduced in this bike. एक है the entire aerodynamic structure of the bike. So it's completely inspired by the MotoGP genes of KTM. So you have a bigger windshield. You have a very big fairing and a very big tank. So the outgoing model had a tank size of around 9 liters. Now it's around almost close to 14 liters. So it is
And a metal tank.
and a metal tank. So it gives a very big feel to the bike and very much postured as a very aggressive track machine. And also you have first time clip-on handlebars over here, around 50 mm adjustable. So the rider, whether he wants to ride on a road or a track, he can adjust on that. First time we have introduced split trellis frame on the R series. So again, that's a new feature. LCD display, again, that's another new addition to this Generation 2 RC. We have a 320 mm display. So if you actually see, we have done a complete changeover in our alloy. The spokes are gone down. The mass of the inner disc also we have removed. The calipers are directly mounted on the wheel.
On the wheel itself.
Yeah, so it actually reduces the weight of the machine and gives a very high power to weight ratio, which is 156 PS per ton. Performance of the bike almost similar to that of the previous outgoing model, which is 25 PS and 19.2 Newton meter torque. Of course, the liquid cooled and DOHC engine. Yeah, so these are some major changes that we have brought into this completely refreshed model of RC and available in two colors, which is black and we call this as Adventure Silver.
I will add some new changes that have been done to this bike. So earlier क्या होता था? The handlebar had fixed mirrors. You could only move the mirror, right? Now the mirror is adjustable, but the stock is also foldable. The entire stock folds, and these are very easily removable अगर आपको track पे जाना है. If you are riding on the street, the handlebar can be put up because it is adjustable. On your mood and your riding requirements, the bike can be retuned to your shape. Seats are bigger, more flatter, more comfortable, more plush for rider and for pillion. The riding triangle is similar to what it was before, but because of the upright ergonomics, it is a much more street-friendly bike. Braking has improved considerably, like sir said. The brakes are as big as a 390, but wheel-mounted. So the brakes are much stronger than before. Earlier we used to have two halogen projector lamps. So now we have LED lamps, LED headlights with an integrated indicator inside the fairing itself.
Also you have the DRLs, that's also, this is actually one of the first of its kind in the segment, which is mounted onto the blinkers.
Yes. And aesthetically speaking, the tank is bigger by 4.5 liters, so you get more range out of the bike. Many owners used to complain that the bike was couple of feedback that we got from the customers was they wanted more range. That the tank felt a bit small compared to the Duke. So now you have a bigger tank. They wanted it to be more comfortable. You have much better seats and revised ergonomics. In fact, the handlebar is also more upright. Airbox is bigger. Fairing is more bigger and aerodynamic. And I think most track riders will also appreciate the added hump with a higher height, so that you don't need to add any aftermarket visor also. Plus the integration of the indicators inside means less hardware to remove when you remove the indicator, when you remove the mirrors for the track. You don't need to remove the wiring for the indicators. All that has been integrated into the main fairing itself.
Also, we have brought in some kind of changes in the radiator also. So
It's a curved
the
radiator,
curved
like
radiator
780 and 380.
gives a much more better
Better
heat dissipation.
There is a new TFT display also from the 250 Adventure. You can come and take the closer look of the bike. Velvet Alcantara style finish on the seats. Much more comfortable than before.
There is
Also-
this supermoto mode.
Yeah,
ABS.
supermoto mode is also there in the ABS. You can turn the rear ABS off and slide the bike. And the foot pegs are now spring loaded. Ground clearance is improved than before. When I say foot peg is spring loaded, it means that if the bike will fall, let's say on the track agar bike girta hai, the gear lever will just bend, it won't break. Even the brake lever, both levers are now spring loaded. So that if the bike topples, the customer doesn't have to get stuck. The bike will still continue moving. So as and when customers have given feedback, KTM has listened with both ears open and made changes to the product. So now we hope that as a customer, you will also appreciate that we have taken all the feedback into the product and made it what it is today. Thank you. Does everybody like black or silver? Silver or black? Louder. Black or silver? Compared to photos, how does it look in person? You saw the tank, it's big. It's a middle tank, especially in orange. Two-tone.
The bigger airbox actually.
40% bigger airbox for more torque. So when you will add grips to ride on the tank, to ride on the track, so only this area will need it, not the entire tank. The metal part is in chair touch. But the seat is not better.